we are planting strawberries today. And we actually had our little man already plant some the day before. So we have a little rule here out in the garden. If you eat it, you grow it.
Yep.
And he's the one that loves to eat the strawberries. Let's fill this up. And Ambrose ordered quite a bit of strawberries.
A lot.
So we had to run out and go ahead and get something else to pot them in. I'm over here spilling it all out. Here we go. Okay. And I think this is, I love planting them in this way too. Here we go. I'm gonna add some biotone. There we go. Mix it in. And I've never planted the strawberries from root.
Yeah,
right?
so these are Bareroot strawberries that I ordered, and they came in pretty fast. I actually got these from I ordered these off of Amazon. It comes from a nursery, but planting Bareroot strawberries is something that we've been wanting to do. Normally we buy them in containers.
Yeah.
And we actually bought some from our local grocery store here.
We still have some.
HEB, and they're I know it's early in the season, but they've been very prolific for being early in the season. And so I found the name of them. They're called Seascape Strawberries, and so I actually fell in love with them because I think they grew pretty quick, and they're starting to double up in size fast.
Yeah.
So I made it a mission to find these Seascape Strawberries, and we actually found some.
We planted some last year, but it wasn't a lot.
Yeah.
So we really need them this year. And like I said, our son loves it. Everybody comes out here, but he's the one that's been eating them the most.
Yeah, yeah. So
it's my morning snack. So
pretty much. So we're actually going to do 5 in this container here, because again, like I said, I ordered quite a bit.
So we're probably going to, no, for sure, I have something else to go ahead and plant them in. I don't want to plant them in something that's too deep.
Yeah.
That's why I went with this one right here.
Yeah, so we're using something shallow. Obviously, we have some in our raised beds, which is not too shallow, but it's shallow enough for these strawberries to root and do their thing. This is a shallow container right here that we're going to use for this one here. And, I mean, it shouldn't be hard to do strawberries, but everything that I've read about doing strawberries and things that we've done in the past is you don't want to plant these too deep, and you don't want to plant them too shallow. Too shallow. You want the roots and the crown to be just right at soil level. Again, any deeper and they're not going to do well. Any higher and they're just not going to perform either.
So I'm learning because I've never planted these before. So you just go in.
And with the strawberries, because they're bare root, the one thing you do want to do with strawberries is you do want to compact around the soil as much as you can.
Is this good?
Yep. You do want to compact them in there so the roots doesn't go everywhere, and especially if you have a light, loamy soil, that's going to drain really, really well. Whenever it gets water in there, you don't want them to come up to the surface either. So you want to plant them good and then pack them in there nice and tight. Then we had little man come out here and do these because, like Angie said, if you eat them, you plant them. And he was like, yeah, I'll plant them. So he planted quite a bit. Mm-hmm. And those that we planted already have some green showing up quite a bit. So they're very happy and they're very fast growing strawberries. So we're excited. Now these are evergreen strawberries. So they're gonna produce from now until fall. Normally we get some June berries as well, which June bearing strawberries would start around, end of May, beginning of June. They start to produce and they'll produce till fall. But these right here, they'll produce pretty much all season long until, we get a frost or anything like that. But then they'll come back pretty quick. We have some in a container that they died back with the frost, but they're back.
They're back.
Yeah.
So for sure we wanted to have some of these. I'm very excited to see them grow throughout the whole season. I do love to have them and I want them everywhere. I'm going to attempt to put some in the back.
Yeah.
By the roses. We're going to see because there's a lot of birds that hang out over there.
Yeah,
and they'll probably beat us to them.
Yeah, we still have quite a bit we need to plant. We already did a whole bunch, and this is more right here. So it's pretty awesome. The one thing you want to do with these strawberries, the fertilizer that we're going to give it, we actually don't have any right now, so we need to go pick some up. But we're going to use some Baritone from Espoma. That's going to give the strawberries what they need to produce. Same thing with blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, anything that has a berry. We're going to use Baritone for this.
So after this, we're just going to go ahead and water them.
Yep, and that's it.
Let them grow.
Very quick video, guys. Just wanted to show you guys we have all kinds of stuff going on here. With the bigger garden comes a lot more things we can play with and do, and it's very exciting to just have vegetables, fruits, and all kinds of things happening here. You got anything else?
No, that's it. I'm just happy to see them grow, and hopefully this is enough for our little man.
Yeah, not for us, because he's probably going to get them all. As soon as they start growing, he's already out there picking them.
There'll be plenty for the whole family.
So that's going to do it for the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Like, share, subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.